Joining us now on PPMA TV is Rob from Labels You Print. Rob, how are you doing? Thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you, David. Yeah, Labels You Print is a specialised distributor of digital label printers. Okay. We started with barcodes in the 1980s. I came out of making car parts and I needed labels very quickly to go with the plastic mouldings. So we started with black and white, but nowadays, since about 19 years, we have full colour printers. And inside you can have plain paper roll, and then colour ink inside, and you can print all the colour labels in seconds. So it cuts out the delays really of having to wait for printed labels, and you can do your own thing. You can design the label yourself with the software included. And we have about 6,000 customers already in the UK that print their own labels, yeah? If you like, I'll just set this one going so you can see it working, yeah?
Live printing, ladies and gentlemen, only here on PPMA TV. Right, so we're gonna get some VIP passes to a gem fair, right? Yep. Wow, here we go.
Imaginary one, but this is how it would work. So plain labels or ticketing in the back, and this is printing variable data now.
At a decent speed as well. This is a laser printer under the covers, is it?
Yes, laser printer is the latest technology, really, where it comes from a roll instead of a sheet. Yeah. But I'll let those fall on the floor now so I can speak to you. This one is inkjet technology we've had for many years. This is Primera from America. Yep. We're a main distributor. And this one is DTM from Germany. Yep. And as we go up the line here, they get bigger and bigger and higher volume. So up the top here, if we walk this way, by the way, we can put labels on automatically as well. Those are accessories. Speed up the apply.
So that's what we're looking at here. You've got a bottle labelling device there, printer and labeler.
You can press a pedal, put a bottle on, and as an idea, sorry, forgive me, that's it. Okay. Yeah, put that on there.
Right, so there's a pedal on the floor there,
and it puts the label on automatically. So
I'm going to have a go at that because I've not pressed enough pedals today, so I'm going to have it a go. There we go.
There we go. Puts the label on.
Super duper.
Oh. And you can put a front and back label on with the same machine.
I see. Got you.
One will do flat package, pouches, tins. When it's a hose pipe like a tin, when it's a square tin.
Tea-tin or something.
Yeah, that's it. Put that on and you can put labels in.
Whatever you've got, you can pop a label on it, basically. Epson, there's a brand.
This one's
recognise.
Top seller. We've done about 300 of these in the last couple of years. Okay. Because it has very large ink tanks in it, which means that label's costing about 0.3 pennies in ink. Okay. The label probably about a penny. So to buy in, you might be paying 3 or 4 pennies. So it's all about cost saving, but being able to print them instantly, from your own computer, put the picture on and print. Yeah.
So you've got quite a few different manufacturers under your stable that you distribute around the world, right?
Yes, this is a recent one as well, Oki.
Oki, yeah.
Oki from sheets, label sheets. But again, this is a roll-fed one. So roll at the back is more efficient, yeah? So plain rolls to printed labels at the front. Laser gives us a bit more durability because more scratch-proof. Yep. So industrial applications. This printer also is unique. It prints white. So we can put white behind on a clear and make the label really stand out. There's a couple of examples at the top there where one has white and one doesn't have white, and you can see that clearly the one pops out where it's got white behind, yeah.
How's business at the moment then? I mean, I don't see this as a market under any threat or anything. Surely it's a growth market.
It's going crazy, yeah. Let me just show you the last one here, this bigger size label printing here. This is VIP from Venture Corporation, and we work with lads in Barcelona. Rainer here is our colleague from Barcelona office, come along to help.
Hola, Rainer.
And this is wanting up to A4 size labels. So if somebody wants a really big label, or A4, A5, then they would use this machine, yeah.
Brilliant. Mike's Nut Shop. You've had fun making some of these labels today, I can tell that much. Listen, tell me, how's PPMA show been for you? I mean, your stand's looking pretty busy so far.
Yeah, we're PPMA members and we've been here since whenever, really. Yeah. We always have a nice position around the edge and get lots of business from it. So really good investment, yeah.
Good stuff. Well, really, really good to hear. And I hope the show continues to be a fruitful one for you. Thanks a lot for showing us around, and all the very best for the show.
Thank you. Cheerio.
Cheers.